All right, y'all, welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to be making some smashed chicken burgers. Well, I hope they smash. They're kind of a little flimsy here, but I'll bring you in, check them out, and we're gonna get them on the griddle. All right, so these are the burgers here. I got some Serrano peppers in there, diced up, and red peppers, and chicken. These are chicken thighs, by the way. Chicken thighs are the better of the chicken, if you ask me. But yeah, you can see they're a little flimsy, but I mean, they're gonna cook up good either way, but I don't know how well they'll smash. And then we got some nice sesame seed buns here, some butter, and salt and pepper. So let's get it going. All right, so we're up to temp. We got about 275 over here and about 315 over here. I got burner off, low, and these two are on high. I'm gonna put these onions right here in the middle. And just spread around some oil. All right. Yes. Let's just throw these onions on. I'm just going to cook these for as long as the burgers cook. I don't want them too soft. Get some oil on there. I'm the only one that's going to have onions on mine. Do a little cut action. All right. All right, let's put a little salt and pepper on them. All right. All right, so let's see what's going to happen with these burgers. You know what? I'm going to put a little butter down first, because I don't know what's going to happen with these. Never done this before, so you're learning with me. I just want to make sure that these things aren't going to stick too bad. Come on, baby. A little butter. Get that butter in there. All right, let's see what happens here. I don't want to wash my hands again, so I'm not trying to touch it. Yeah, it's not going to smash that good, but it's going to cook up good. I know that. Oh, yeah. There we go. All right, let's put a little salt and pepper on these. Man, there's always somebody trying to cut their lawn during my videos. All right, let's give them a little, they're gonna smash a little bit. Let's see what happens here. Oh, that definitely smashed. It's pretty big. Probably could have gone a little lighter on the meat there. That is going to be one big burger. All right, let's just let that cook up. Let's work on these onions. All right. Kill it. All right, onions done. Got that off to the side. Now let's try and give this first one a flip. Oh, a little popped up a little bit. Ooh, it came apart a little bit, but that's looking good. Yeah. And it's not staying together all that well, but it's cooking up real nice. Not gonna waste that chicken. All right. All right, I'm gonna let that one cook a little longer because it's on the cooler part of the griddle, so. All right, let's see what we got here now. Ooh, man, that grill's hot. Ooh. Yeah, that's what I like to see. All right, so my burger's done. I got the other ones off. I'm gonna throw these buns on, put a little mayonnaise on them, toast them up a little bit. That's gonna be good, good. Look at that. That. Boom. All right. Now we got some garbage over here. Let's get rid of that. All right, I got all the burners off right now. I'm just keeping this stuff warm. Ooh, buddy. It's kind of sticking a little bit more. I probably should have put a little oil or something down when I flipped them. But it's gonna be good. All right. All right, let me get a couple of these buns off for these guys. There we go. This one. There we go. All right. There we go. Got a nice little toast on there and some of the mayonnaise. That's gonna be delicious. That looks amazing. All right, now mine. I'm gonna just go ahead and pop that right there. Hey Max, you got your. All right, we got mine now. Let's go ahead and just throw this big burger on here. I think it's way bigger than the bun. Ain't nothing wrong with that though. Nothing at all. Throw my onions on. Psh. That's all we need. All we need. All right, let's give this thing a cut. Hope this is sharp enough. This spatula. There we go. There we go. Man, this thing is way bigger than the bun. Nice look in there. Look at that deliciousness. All right, let's get a bite of this. Let's see where to dig in. Ooh, that's hot. And I had a little sample. There's some good heat with that Serrano in there. Ooh. Got a perfect crunch on these onions that I did. Move my plate over a little bit. The griddle's kind of hot. The chicken is done perfect. The onions are good. The Serrano, you got nice heat with that, and perfect flavor with the red pepper that we put in there. I think next time what I would do is buy an attachment for my KitchenAid and grind the meat up instead of slicing it. And I mean, I think that would make a big difference. But, or maybe even put an egg in there to keep it together a little more. But I don't know. I mean, I think it's really good. So, you guys like it? Smash that thumbs up, y'all. Appreciate you coming along. See you on the next one. Thank you.